When we evaluated Ross, we saw that it was going to be a very good solution because, again, it accommodates very well to our processes, and we did almost the implementation in record time, because we not just updated Ross, but we also took advantage of the opportunity and we updated all the other systems that we had around to the latest versions, and we were able to do this in 6 months, and we went live in 6 months, and the project only had like 1 week delay. We was like a record for that, and we were able to work very well with your team on that process. For my surprise, it was a very seamless implementation. The team was very reactive. We were meeting like once or twice a week, if too much. But the good thing is that the team was always on top of the implementation. All the tasks that we were leaving for every week were done diligently with high quality. The responsiveness from you was great. So again, we received a lot of kudos for the implementation inside the company, but I always said to the steering committee that the kudos need to go also to the Aptean team, because you did a great job, and I was really impressed with all the things that you did with all the team, like not only with the main consultants that were supporting the project, but also with the SaaS team and all the team that you have across the globe, because like the word was like a commitment. So as soon as we left some tasks for the week, next week they were done, and they were done impeccably. They were done with high quality. So I'm very grateful with them, and again, the successful of the implementation and of the uplift was also because of, or majorly because of your team.